Hi guys, this is Andrew Burgess with NetTuts, and today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft's experimental jQuery templating plugin. You can read about it here on their blog, and right here is a link to the experimental plugin on GitHub. If you just click download source up here in the corner, you can get the zip file of that. I've already done that, so here on the desktop here you can see I've got this JQ template folder with an index and the plugin inside of it. Here's that index page. I've just got an empty list item, or an empty unordered list. I've got these special script tags with the type of text/HTML, and that will be where we store our template. We've got jQuery, the templating plugin, and here's our other script where the magic will happen. So the first thing you need is the data. Normally you get that from the server, probably, and it has to be in the form of JSON, of course. So for us, we're just going to use an array here of objects with a name and age. And the way we call the plugin is we get the template. And you can see here I've given the template an ID of list template. So in here we'll get the template, and then we can say render, and we pass in that data, and that's going to return us a list, or the structure of our list items in this case, or the structure of whatever data we're rendering excuse me, with our template. And so then we can just say append that to, and we will append it to the unordered list. So now let's write our template. It's going to be a list item, of course. And in this list item, let's put a paragraph tag. We'll have a strong tag. We can say name and the strong tag. And then we're going to use special templating tags. We got curly brace, percent sign, then we're going to have an equal sign, and we're going to say name, and then percent, and close curly brace. And that equal sign means we're going to print out the value of name. So if we save that, come here, I've got the page open in Chrome here. If I refresh the page, and there we have name, and we got the names for each one of those list items. And now I can duplicate this and just change that to age, change that to age, refresh the page, and now we've got the age showing up as well. So that's pretty easy, but now let's pass in an options object here. So we're going to pass in just an object literal. We'll say show age is set to false. And now we can use those same or very similar tags, curly brace, percent sign, to open and close it. And then in here we'll say if, and we use the context object, context.options.showAge. So if that's set to true, then we got our opening curly brace for the if statement there, and then underneath here we'll have our close curly brace. And so if show age is set to true, then we can print out the age paragraph. So if we come back here, you'll see the age paragraph is gone because we've set that to false. And if we change that to true, there we go, we've got the age paragraph. One more thing, we can actually give a number to each one of these, because another special parameter that's passed to the template is the I parameter. So right up here, we'll open another span, and in here we will just say $I, and that's just our iterator. So if we refresh this page, you'll see there we've got the numbers of each one showing up there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we want to have that start at 1, we can just say +1, and there we have it. So that's a quick look at the jQuery templating plugin. I think it has a lot of potential, and let me know what you think of it. Thanks.